Hey guys, it's Jenna with Improvised Crafts. I'm going to be making a bench today with the Be Design, Be Humble. So I went ahead and grabbed some of these pallets from the Dollar Tree. I went ahead and removed one of them. I'm going to go ahead and attach them here to make a bench. And then I'm going to also use some floor blocks for the feet. And to start, just to try it out, I went ahead and wanted a stained look. So I got these samples of log homes from Shashco. And the one that I used was the Capture Long Step 1, and it's smoked hickory color. I like how it made it look like an old dirty palette. That's the look I was going for. And so I'm going to start the project here with staining these cubes and also cutting out. So I'm just going to go ahead and stain the blocks down. I'm not going to do the bottom because no one's going to see the bottom anyways. So I'm going to do all 4 of these. Alright, now I'm finishing up the blocks with the stain. Alright, so we're going to see how this works. I got one of the dry eraser boards from the school section of Dollar Tree, and I'm going to Mod Podge the gift bags that I used from the bee craft I did yesterday. It might be kind of difficult because this is kind of slippery, so we'll see how it works. So far it feels like it's going to be okay. Kind of match those middle lines together. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and glue the back to the base. I did remove one of the planks here, so that way we can be able to glue it better. Alright, so I have glued the bench together at an angle, and then I'm going to go ahead and just measure out where I want to Mod Podge this out, and then I'm just going to crease it. Okay, now I'm just going to put some Mod Podge on the bottom, so we can put the bottom half of our bee. Just adding some more Mod Podge to the top. I don't care about if it makes wrinkles or anything because it's supposed to look all old anyways. I'm gonna try to line it up as best as possible. Smooth it out. And more Mod Podge. Well, in my case, thinned out glue with water. Okay, just gonna finish putting the rest of these feet on. So it turned out a little wobbly, so I just cut a small piece of jumbo craft stick, and then I'm gonna just glue it underneath so that way it stabilizes it.